Namaste everybody. So now let's practice today into the sixth version of Matsya, that is known as the fish pose. So fish pose is really help to open your diaphragm, your rib cage, your lungs, your chest, and help to open your shoulder. So it's really good for those person who do the 8-hour, 12-hour, lot of computer work, sitting job, and especially nowadays, everyone have computer and everyone have mobile, so everyone make the cervical bend this way, and then the thoracic also bend forward, which really make our disbalance our body, because our position are not correct, so our body mind is become unhealthy. So therefore, to get the good health, we should work on the upper back and cervix also. So now let's I will show you into the 5 version of the Matsya. Please practice your physical level and gain the good health. So now I should lie down into the Supta, your hand by the side, and now you can, the version 1, you can put hand by the side and then raise your head up, look your big toes, and then arch your crown and arch your chest, and then stay here, feel your lungs and chest, stay and breathe, hold. Then again, hold and release. Now go to the Shavasana. Now for the second version of Matsya, the fish pose, please you bring your hand underneath your body. So even you sit and then do exactly like this. Fit 90 degrees by the in. Now raise your head up and then ground on the ground, and then here is the small variation about your leg. Your right is to go on the toes, and then again you change left on the toes, and again your feet goes wide. Stay here, hold the breath by the head. And now again, head up, look your big toes, and then slow, release, hand by the side, and small Savasana. So even if you like this version, you keep practice 3 times or 5 times, repeat, and gain the benefits. Now the version 3. Version 3 is goes like see, both feet together, bring your hand underneath your body, and now then again raise your head up, put your big toes, and then arch your left crown on the ground, feet goes pointed and both legs hold and breathe. And then slow release. Then raise your head up, you bring toes, and then slow. Very good. Now, small savasana. Now the four version of Matsya. So both leg together again and bring your hand under your shoulder and then now inhale and ground on the ground. And your hand here stay at feet point position. Now your hand goes up, your hand goes up. Stay here. Then to release the same way, then straight your hand and then wait up and release and relax. Go to the small savasana. Now, the fifth version of Matsya is a little bit more advanced. So again, both legs together, hand by the side. Then bring your hand under your shoulder. And now raise your head up. Then your hand over the head, hand 90 degrees. Then your hand, and then your feet. Then your leg down and then slowly release your hand under your shoulder is up and relax into the small savasana. And then now you go for version 6. 6 one little bit more advanced. So you can practice with the lotus pose. Bend your right and try to bring your knee on the ground. Stay here. Then bring your hand under your shoulder. While again, raise your head up, ground on the ground. And then your hand over the head, 90 degrees, 45. Then try to hold your big toe or hold your, and then pull. And then knee on the ground. Stay here. This is the advanced or version 6 of Matsya. Then again, how to release, again you go up, go over the head, bring your hand on the knee, and then release, and then your hand. Also you can release your leg here, small savasana, and then you sit up through your left side. So this way you can choose any of the position from the 6th version of Matsya, the fish pose, and I will advise you to practice whichever comfortable for your body, comfortable for your health, comfortable your spine. You do it, practice and gain health. So this is the will give you the good benefits for the chest, lungs and respiratory system. So thanks for watching, and if you like our channel, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.